Do you need to be vegan or vegetarian to experience an awakening? To realize pure consciousness, the source, the kingdom of God within? That is the question. Let's simplify this. That which gives life to everything equally. Carnivores, omnivores, herbivores. And how about this tree? It has life, awareness in its own way. What does it eat? Sunlight, water, minerals from the earth. So why would awakening, the realization of your true nature, depend on what you eat? It doesn't. Awakening isn't complicated. It isn't something you earn through a diet. It's the realization that you are aware. Not the body, not the label, not the diet. Just awareness. Aware of all of it. Now, does diet matter? Of course. For your health, for energy, for mental clarity. But don't confuse that with awakening. Because someone can eat one way or another and still be disconnected or deeply aware. We are not all built the same. There is no one diet for all humans. But there is one truth. You are not the body. You are the awareness of it. And nothing on your plate can change that. So, eat in a way that supports your body. Train your body. Take care of your health. But never believe that you need a certain diet to realize what you already are.